Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we actually have a what's sold for you guys. Now, we have been doing a lot of Ben's hauls lately, and we did one right before this, but I think that one's actually going up after this video, if that makes sense. But Kathy had a pretty good day of sales to share with you guys, and we had the time. The kids are in school. We got a little bit of time to do this kind of stuff. So take it away. What do you got?
That's just why I have this shirt on again. I just want you guys to know I don't wear the same shirt every single day. A few times a week, but not every single day.
She's not me. Yeah, I got like 4 shirts.
Yeah. All right, take it away. Okay, it's not really in any sort of order. Actually, I have one on my phone because it came in right after I printed all the labels, which are these Jordans. I don't even have them bagged yet because I need to dehair them a little bit on the inside. But these are from the bins. I was going to keep them for my son, but he has plenty in this size. So I listed them, and they sold for $33.96 plus shipping, which is great.
Nice.
And then this Wrangler jacket is sold for $25.46 plus ship. It is new with tag, but I found it at the bin, so I thought that was great.
Nice.
Skechers Mary Janes are these guys. So I used to pick up a ton of Skechers. Now I rarely go to any normal Goodwills anyways. These are from the bins. Like in the past I would have paid like $10 for these, but yeah, thankfully I found these at the bins. They sold for $21.21 plus ship, which I think is great for a pair of Skechers. I used to be able to get close to 30 probably for something like this. So yeah. Do whatever you want with that information. Yeah, Skechers, like if you're watching any of our old videos, you probably see me pick them up all the time, and now it's just more at the bins only kind of thing. All right, some towels. You see the towels. Where are the towels?
These?
That is them.
I don't know.
All right, so Towels is a shoe brand I still like to pick up. These ones I actually did get at a normal thrift recently for $7.99. They sold for $25.46 plus ship, so that's okay enough. It's over a $10 profit. Towels I used to be able to get like 44, so yeah. I just feel like a lot of shoe brands in general, you know, I've been doing mostly bins for like over a year now.
Right.
And like even this next pair I'm going to show you, I really thought I could get at least 50 for them. And I'm so happy with what I got. These are Kuru, and they're like the knit ones. Some of the models do better than others. The knit ones seem to be the ones that have been doing best for me. But these sold for $36.52 plus ship. That's still pretty good. I did pay $10 for these though at a Goodwill. So. Okay.
So you've had those for a while now?
Those came from Woodland Park when I made my first reel. So that was our anniversary. So 3 or 4 months.
A few months, yeah. Okay.
I think I recently dropped the price, so I probably started them around 50, dropped to like 40 or 45. Yeah. So.
Not as good as they used to do, but still pretty good.
Yeah. All right, some kids Adidas. These I actually got from Once Upon a Child, but for my own kids. And when I asked them to give me the shoes they don't wear or don't want, this is one of them. So that's okay.
Didn't make the cut.
Yeah. These were in like really good shape. I think you might have worn them once or twice. I have my cost of goods at $6. I know. The day I bought these, they had them in both of our kids' sizes, which was crazy, and they both looked new. And I think I used $10 off of, you know, these were priced at like $11 each. So $22 minus $10. Yeah, I think I paid about $6 a pair out of pocket. This pair sold for $23 with discount shipping, so not too bad. The other pair actually sold, I think, last week for a little bit more. You can put it up if you want. I think the other pair sold on Posh.
Okay.
So did these. So. All right, Nike pants. Sold for a good amount, just for a basic Nike jogger. $31 someone offered. That wasn't even a Posher VA offer accepted. So yeah, if I say discount shipping, that's Posher VA sent the offer on our behalf. But this one was not. They just offered, I only had them listed at $35, so I love an offer that's only a few dollars off asking.
Right.
And those are from the bin, so really awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, Posher VA. We mention it every time I do like a ship with me or anything, but it's just so helpful.
It is. Yeah. It's essentially made Poshmark kind of set it and forget it for you. Like we've gone from having to share everything multiple times a day. It takes care of it all. It sends offers to anything that's liked, and it's nice because I don't have to help.
Someone on. I was just just like scrolling stories on Instagram like I usually do the other day, and somebody was like, I can't share my Poshmark closet. And in my head, I'm like, you're still sharing your Poshmark closet like normal person.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was trying to teach someone about Poshmark recently, and I was like, this is something you have to do every day. You know, they just had a few items, so I'm not going to try to tell them about Poshmark yet. Because yeah, a few items. It's not necessarily worth it, but I'd say if you have like 100 items or something, it's probably worth it at that point.
It's less than $1 a day, and whatever that is worth to you in the amount of time that you're spending on it on Poshmark, let that determine it. But yeah.
Yeah. These hokas also sold on Posh. Someone offered 40 though on those ones. Those are from the bins. I'm putting them in here for now just because at the end we're gonna kind of package this up.
Yeah. This is our packing table.
We didn't have the mics ready and everything today to do like normal ship with me. So we'll do a little fast motion.
That's why this is a little bit more of the old school. We kind of used to do it this way.
So funny to think about. Like it feels like so long ago, but
I know.
I guess it kind of was. All right, this is a Lands' End down puffer vest from the bin. Sold for $16.96 plus shipping. All right, this was a good. It's a little bit over a day. So I did my weekend shipping mostly on Sunday night this weekend. Right now it's like Tuesday afternoon. So this is mostly like from Monday by the time we took our kids to school till right now Tuesday afternoon. So it's a lot of sales.
Yeah.
Because I was at Bins yesterday almost all day, so I did not have time to ship. I'm very excited about all these sales. Like, you know, July was okay. Like it was what I thought it would be for a summer month, but August is already feeling like it's picking up, which is great.
Yeah, and let us know, guys. I know that the environment online seems like everybody's been having some slow sales. How have yours been? Are they picking up? I feel like it's.
Yeah. I do feel like August always picks up, but I also have been very consistent the whole summer. Yeah. Which I know it's hard for a lot of people to keep up in the summer anyway, so.
It was
hard. That could be
hard.
it, that like my just summer listing is finally paying off, you know. This is a pair of Ariat boots, kids. I did get these at Once Upon a Child. They had them priced at $13, but I used $10 off, so I paid $3, and someone offered $25 on Posh. I just accepted. They're not in amazing condition. I still think I could have got $30 to $40 even, but fast sale. Happy. Okay, Dance Go. These were just in one of our recent bin hauls. Those cool like laser cut looking ones. Yeah. Those sold in just a day or two. Those sold for $36.52 plus ship, so awesome.
Nice.
And those, I mean, I thought they would sell, I think I said around that price, maybe 30 to 40, but when I went to list them, I realized they were like at 36, I think, which is like a 5.5 to 6. So that size is usually priced to move, so.
Okay.
I think just that style sold it.
Nice.
And also these fit flops sold really fast in one day of being listed. I did throw these in the washing machine. They're still dirty on the footbeds, but they sold for $25.46 plus ship.
Okay.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, you had mentioned that fit flops kind of, they stay pretty dirty on the footbeds no matter what you do, right?
Yeah. One time years ago, somebody was like, are the footbeds really dirty? And I think I'd already noted that in the description, but I'm like, yeah, sorry. That's why they're I didn't say that, but like, that's why they're priced the way they're priced too, you know. The Buc-ee's Halloween shirt sold. I did not write for how much. Check that really quick. Okay, so that sold for $16.96 plus shipping. So
okay.
Awesome.
Okay. Pretty good for off season. Buc-ee's is super hot. I know we just got ours, Colorado, which I think is the largest Buc-ee's in the country, but
it was really big.
Yeah.
The kids had a fun time.
Connor literally just said, I want to go to Buc-ee's. I'm like,
again? He said it again.
Well, I think we were talking about like they were going to be building one down here or something. He's like, I can't wait to go shopping there. I'm like, we spent too much there to be going shopping there.
Own money, buddy.
Yeah.
This Stio shirt from the bins, that sold pretty quickly, a couple weeks for $38.25 plus ship, just for a shirt. So,
nice.
Yeah, Stio, I love that brand. It usually takes a while to sell. I do think the men's stuff does not, well, I don't want to say better, but like quicker at least.
Yeah.
Than the men's. Yeah, I've had a flannel of a women's listed for like probably a year now and it hasn't sold, so. All right, this was a bundle. I don't want to open this, but you'll see the screenshot. It's a Tipsy Elves like fleece, full one-piece fleece thing. And then they bought this, I don't know how you say this, Pronto Umo maybe? Like just a nice vest. Total for both $32.14 plus ship. I got them both from the bin.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, if the item is too big for like these clear bags that we have, we do that rather than having a large
I mean we have
bag in
coats
stock.
I do hang coats usually that are pretty big, but Lace romper.
Yeah.
Do that first. This Umbro shorts from the bins.
Nice.
$33.96 plus shipping. A pair of shorts.
Were they vintage or something?
They're vintage. They're just really cool. They're nylon, like a pink color.
Yeah.
It's just that like 90s
Yeah.
vibe. So I thought those would sell for at least 30, so I'm really happy about that. Those are
Sweet.
also a men's small. And I have another pair listed that are men's large. The same, just a slightly different color, but hopefully those sell as much because those weigh like 2 ounces. So that's
Yeah.
bins weight like a quarter or something into $33. That's crazy.
Yeah. Love it.
This I listed. It was something I bought for Once Upon a Child. So bins items they did not accept because they're little baby dresses with no bloomers. This is Okie Dokie, and then this is Old Navy. One was 6 to 12, one was 9 months. So I just bundled them because like by themselves, neither of them are worth a whole lot. And they sold for $8.46 plus ship. So not great, but again, this total is like 5 ounces. I'm still making like $5 profit at least. I didn't have to redonate. I'm glad somebody's gonna get use out of them. I've learned my lesson mostly. I'm still probably gonna try sometimes, but you know, I'm being more mindful of not picking up little baby sizes with no bloomers, like
Yeah.
any toddler even sizes. So. Sold a first pair of the freshly picked. The camo one sold for $14.08 plus ship from the bin.
Nice. That probably pretty much pays for all the freshly picked you bought, right?
Oh yeah, those 10 pairs probably weighed maybe a pound.
Yeah.
Pounds total. So
Way to go.
yeah. I think I said I haven't been to many Goodwills, but this did come from a regular Goodwill, even fairly recently, and I did pay $16.99 for these, which is a lot. They're just New Balance, but I thought the color was cool. They seemed like a minimus. I don't know that they're actually minimus.
All right. Yep. My gimbal died, and now I'm holding it with my hand.
Usually your arm's gonna get so tight.
So,
I don't know where I was, but yeah. So these looked like kind of like a New Balance minimus. I don't know that they actually were, but I did check comps in the store since they were priced kind of high, and I thought I could about double my money, which is about what I did. $43.31 plus shipping, and I would say about a month or so.
okay.
So
Yeah, that is an interesting colorway.
yeah. Billabong. These were just some of my son's old shorts. They sold for $9.31 plus ship. I probably didn't even pay that much for them to begin with. Tommy Bahama flip flops. These were in a recent bins haul. I think I almost put these in the Once Upon a Child bin, but I decided they were basically like new, and I could probably get 10 to 15. I actually got $17.82 plus ship,
Hey.
which is great because these again weigh like 4 or 5 ounces. So
Nice.
yeah, glad I listed them. And then these Chaco, I did buy at a normal thrift store recently. Not super recently. These are probably at least 3 or 4 months. But they sold for 28. Someone offered on Posh. I bought them for 10. So more than doubling.
Okay.
I thought that was a cute style. They're like leather straps, so. Zara camo. This I wish I never bought. I think I bought these only to like take to Play-Dohs or Uptown Cheapskate. Neither of them bought them. I listed them, but I think I found some flaws as I did. And so they sold for $6.47 plus shipping.
Okay.
They're from the bin, so I'm
Yeah.
not losing money,
There you
but
go.
that was not great at all.
It's not technically a loss, right?
Sold some Sweet Honey. I don't think I ever put these in the Once Upon a Child bin. I think I thought, oh, I'll sell these for 15 on my own, but they've been listed forever at this point. I got $9.31 plus shipping.
Okay.
So Sweet Honey is a good kids brand. I think it's still good. It's been a while. The dresses I think would do a lot better. This is just a pair of linen little ruffle leggings.
Okay.
Sold these Harry Potter like golden snitch fans. I got these from Once Upon a Child. I wrote down $3.72 as a cost of goods, so that tells me I probably averaged a bunch of things out that day. And someone offered $25. I think they're worth a little bit more, even though they're from Once Upon a Child. These are like an adult size.
Yeah.
But they've been listed a while, so I just accepted because we're moving things.
Yeah.
And I thought that, I mean, it was fair enough. I did go check comps on eBay, even though that was on Posh. I checked eBay comps when they offered 25. I think I had them listed at 59. So it was a pretty lowball offer if you want to think of it that way. But, you know, I saw some sold around 50 pre-owned, but then others in the 30. So I thought 25 was fair. It is a smaller adult size.
Right.
So lots of factors that make me decide whether or not to accept.
Yeah.
And then these Levi shorts sold for a very low amount, but I bought these from the bins just to try them for myself, and I didn't like them. So
Okay.
at that point, I have them. I'm gonna list them. Someone offered $7. They've been listed a while. I just
Yes,
$7.
please.
Yeah. I make $4 minus cost of goods, which is not great, but I did not lose money.
I mean, if you got paid $4 to try on a pair of pants,
That's true.
there you go.
Yeah, and the potential that they worked would have meant I had a pair of shorts.
Yeah.
These are some Clarks. I did buy these at regular thrift for $7.99. They sold, this has taken a while, $14.42 plus shipping, so
Okay.
not great. Couple more, this Gap denim jacket. I didn't check if this was the same person. Someone bought this like several days ago, but then canceled right away saying like wrong payment used.
Right.
So I thought they were gonna buy it right away again, but then it was a few days and then it sold again. So $25.46 plus ship. It is from the bins.
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't check if it was the same person or if just somebody else bought it, but glad to move that. And then these Ultra, I did also buy at a normal thrift. I have a reel about me picking these up as well. I did pay $12.99. They sold for $32.51 plus shipping.
Wow, okay.
You know, so like obviously now that I go to the bins a lot, I'd rather sell something for 10 to 15 that I got at the bins than
Yeah.
pay $12.99 for 32. Even though I think the profit's higher on something like that.
Yeah.
It's just hard to wrap your mind around at this point. But yeah, when I was doing shoes only, that was basically, I'm really happy to double my money, even if I'm paying $13.
Yeah.
And that's more than doubling, so yeah.
Absolutely.
I want to still thrift shoes sometimes.
Yeah. Well, that, you know what? It's the great thing about being self-employed.
Yes.
You can, you could try something for a little while and then be like, you know what? I want to try something else.
Yeah.
We're gonna get this stuff packed up. I'm gonna go grab a tripod and then I'm gonna help you. So
Oh, thanks.
I'll be right back. All right, got the tripod set up. We're gonna get packing. Is that the last one?
That's the last one. Well, I have those Jordans, but I haven't printed the label yet. Okay.
All right. Well, we got everything all packed up. And how is it having help? I don't usually help you pack it. It didn't take long at all. Maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
But we gotta go take the stuff to the post office, pick up the kids from school,
And tell you about shipping up.
and tell you about shipping it. Right after these sponsors. Not sponsored.
I mean, we're not sponsored, but we do get a kickback if you guys
Yeah.
buy anything. So
That is
we appreciate that. Yeah, Shipping Hip, all the cute little mailers, the tape. These stickers are not from Shipping Hip because I ran out of theirs, but we have some Amazon links for things as well. Stickers and like the cellophane bags are from Amazon. We've been getting questions about the brown paper, which that's just from eBay. I'm sure
Yeah.
you can find it on Amazon too.
I'll
but
put a link to this in the description below.
yeah.
But it's the same place we get boxes from eBay, I think.
Yeah, so Amazon and those, we don't necessarily have any codes or like to get it cheaper, but Shipping Hip Ginger 15 gets you 15% off anything on their website, and they ship for free as well, which is awesome. So yeah, we always appreciate when you use any of our codes in the description.
absolutely.
We mentioned Posture VA. We didn't mention like List Perfectly. That's one for cross listing. What other codes do we got? If you've never joined Poshmark or Mercari or Citizen, there's codes for those where you get like free money to shop with, and then if you do shop, then I get free money to shop with. So I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's everything.
If we forgot anything, it is down in the
Oh, we have a
description.
free spreadsheet download. You can check that out if you're new here.
Yeah.
Like a reseller spreadsheet. So
Soon to be updated.
yeah.
Soon to be updated.
Yeah.
But hey, I think we went over everything, and that's what sold for today. So, we're gonna take off now, guys. Thank you so much for all the support and hanging out with us in this one. And don't forget to watch the haul that we recorded before this one, but it's coming up the next video. So maybe after live.
Yeah.
The next video. So guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.